Today, we're making this cute tissue box from cardboard and velvet fabric. You can replace the velvet with any fabric you want. It's a really simple and easy project. This is how you replace the tissues. It's an easy, simple, and very practical idea that uses very simple materials. Let me show you how to make it, step by step. First, you'll need a 12 by 20 centimeter cardboard. Draw a horizontal line in the middle, then draw a vertical one in the middle from top to bottom. Cut a piece of paper 4.5 by 8 centimeters, fold it in half, like this, then fold it in half again. Draw this half circle from corner to corner like this and cut it. You'll get this oval shape. Place the paper in the center of the cardboard and make sure the folds in the paper align with the lines you drew on the cardboard. Trace the outline of the paper. Cut out this shape using a cutter. Next, you'll need two 9.5 by 20 centimeter pieces of cardboard. Measure the space between these two pieces, because the measurements will change according to the type of cardboard you're using. I measured 11 centimeters, so I'll need two pieces of cardboard, one 11 by 9.5, and the other 11 by 8.5. The 8.5 and 9.5 are fixed measurements, but the 11 will change depending on the cardboard. As you see, one side is shorter than the other. I'll tell you why in a bit. Measure 1 centimeter on the longer side, then cut a 1 by 10 centimeter cardboard and glue it under the 1 centimeter mark. This is what you want. Add the small cardboard to the longer side and leave the shorter side as it is. It's time to cover it. I'm using this velvet fabric. You can use any other type of fabric or paper foam. Fold the edge inward before gluing it in place. Cut all 4 corners like this. Apply the same technique on the other side. I glued these two and then detached them because I forgot to mention a very important step. I forgot to tell you to glue 2 pieces of cardboard, one here and the other here, then cover them with the fabric. These two measure 2 by 20 centimeters. I covered the ends with the fabric because I already cut the fabric, and it won't cover everything. Glue the cardboard on the edge, like this. Then wrap the fabric on the cardboard. These will serve as a base. And since one side is longer than the other, we've created an opening. We'll use a 19 by 10 centimeter cardboard and insert it in the opening. This will create a kind of door to seal in the tissues. I cut another piece of fabric to cover the top. You can fold the ends before gluing so you don't have to cover them with anything. But since I'm adding decoration, I'll glue it without folding. You can also use a lighter to make the edges smoother. It's very important to pull and stretch the fabric while gluing it. Cut the fabric in the center to make the opening. Add glue and glue them on the inside, like this. I'm using this as decoration, but you can use whatever is available to you. Look how cute this is. The frame is now done. It's time to cover this piece. Remember, it measures 10 by 19 centimeters. Glue a piece of rope or ribbon here. Cut some fabric to the size of the cardboard, then use a lighter to smooth out the edges. Insert the tissues inside the box, like this. Then close it. Look how amazing it looks. It's so cute and so beautiful. You can make this project for Ramadan or for any other occasion or festivities. It's so easy and practical, and you don't need complicated materials. You can use whatever you have available at home. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.